What if your brand could catch every angry tweet within seconds and have a draft response ready before you even finish your coffee? That's exactly what we're building today. The agent works in 3 steps. Fetch recent mentions from Twitter, run each through a sentiment classifier, and if the sentiment is negative, generate a polite draft response using OpenAI. Here's the core sentiment analysis function. We call OpenAI's chat completion with a simple prompt that asks for a JSON response with a sentiment label and a confidence score. When sentiment is negative, we generate a response draft. The prompt includes the original tweet and asks for a polite, empathetic reply that addresses the issue. Combine these pieces in a loop. Each iteration pulls new mentions, analyzes them, and saves the drafts to a queue. You can hook this up to notifications or a review dashboard. That's a fully functional AI agent that monitors sentiment and drafts responses. You can extend it with filters, escalation rules, or auto-posting after human review. Try it out and automate your brand's social listening.